Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you dream of having flawless radiant skin? Well, your dream can be become a reality with the meticulously affected of vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause premature aging and skin damage. But fear not, because vitamin E capsule can contract this effect and give you the flawless skin you desire. Vitamin E capsule are packed with nutrients that nourish your skin from within, and they deeply moisture the skin, leaving it soft, supple and hydrate. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin and hello to smooth, glowing complexion. But did not all vitamin E capsules also help reduce the appearances of scars, stretch marks and dark spots. They promote the regeneration of skin cells, giving you a more even toned complexion. Are you tired of the lines and wrinkles? Vitamin E capsule can help with that too. By boosting collagen productions, they smooth out wrinkles and restore firmness to your skin. So how do you use vitamin E capsule? Simply puncture the capsule and apply the oil directly to your skin, to your face, or mix it with your favorite moisturizer. Make it part of your daily skincare routine and watch the meticulously effect unfold. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.